Starfish Secrets, unveiling the wonders of the sea stars. Hey there, ocean explorers. Ever wondered about those star-shaped creatures chilling on the seabed? We call them starfish, but guess what? They're not actually fish. They belong to a group called echinoderms, which also includes sea urchins and sea cucumbers. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of these amazing animals. That's right, no brain. Instead, they have a nerve net that helps them sense their surroundings. It's like having a decentralized command center spread throughout their body. This nerve net allows them to react to stimuli and coordinate their movements. Pretty cool for a creature without a brain, huh? Imagine having eyes on your fingertips. Well, starfish have something similar. Each arm has an eye spot that can detect light and darkness. These eye spots help them navigate and find food. It's like having a bunch of tiny, simple eyes working together. Starfish have a unique way of eating. They can push their stomach outside their body to digest prey. This is especially useful for tackling larger meals. They basically engulf their food in their stomach, breaking it down before pulling it back inside. Talk about a flexible dining experience. Lost an arm? No problem. Starfish can regenerate lost limbs. Some species can even regrow an entire body from a single arm. This incredible ability makes them super resilient. It's like having a built-in repair kit. While most starfish have 5 arms, some species have many more. The sunstar, for example, can have up to 40 arms. These extra arms help them move faster and catch more prey. It's like having a multi-tool for survival. Forget boring beige. Starfish come in a dazzling array of colors from bright orange to deep purple. These colors can help them camouflage or attract mates. Their vibrant hues add a splash of beauty to the underwater world. It's like an underwater art gallery. Starfish don't walk. They use tiny tube feet to move around. These feet are filled with water and work like little suction cups. They coordinate these tube feet to glide across the seabed. It's like having 1,000 tiny legs working together. Despite their gentle appearance, starfish are predators. They feed on a variety of creatures, including clams, snails, and even other starfish. Their strong arms and unique feeding method make them effective hunters. Don't let their looks fool you. They're serious about their meals. Starfish help keep the marine ecosystem in balance. By preying on certain species, they prevent any one population from becoming too dominant. They're like the gardeners of the sea, ensuring a healthy and diverse environment. Their presence is crucial for a thriving ocean. Some starfish species can live for decades. The lifespan of a starfish depends on the species and its environment. Their longevity allows them to play a significant role in their ecosystems over many years. They're like the wise elders of the sea. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about starfish. These incredible creatures are full of surprises. Next time you see a starfish, remember all the amazing things it can do. They're more than just pretty stars. They're vital members of the ocean community. Keep exploring and stay curious. Seahorses, nature's tiny oddballs. Hey there, nature explorers. Did you know there's a fish that looks like it galloped straight out of a fairy tale? I'm talking about seahorses, of course. These aren't your average guppies. Get ready to dive into the weird and wonderful world of these truly unique marine creatures. We're about to uncover some seriously strange and spectacular seahorse secrets. First off, let's talk looks. I mean, come on, they're shaped like tiny horses. That distinctive head and body is hard to miss. But it's not just for show. Seahorses are covered in bony plates like a knight in shining scales. This armored exoskeleton protects them from predators. And check out that tail. It's prehensile, meaning they can use it to grip onto things like seaweed and coral. Think of it as a built-in anchor. Their eyes are pretty special too. They can move each eye independently like little underwater surveillance cameras. Talk about having eyes in the back of your head. Plus, they're masters of camouflage. Seahorses can change color to blend in with their surroundings. From teeny tiny to surprisingly sizable, seahorses come in all shapes and sizes. Now, hold on to your hats, because this is where things get really interesting. Forget everything you thought you knew about fish families. Male seahorses are the ones who get pregnant. That's right, the dads carry the eggs. Before all that, though, there's a courtship dance. These elaborate mating rituals can last for days. It's like an underwater ballet. The female then deposits her eggs into a special pouch on the male's belly. This pouch is like a super cozy incubator. It provides the perfect environment for the eggs to develop. The gestation period varies depending on the species, but it usually takes a few weeks. Then comes the big moment, giving birth. The male seahorse releases hundreds, sometimes even thousands of tiny baby seahorses into the water. It's quite a sight to behold. Sadly, the little ones face a tough world. The survival rate for baby seahorses is pretty low. And once they're born, they're on their own. No parental care here. So, where do these amazing creatures hang out? Seahorses prefer shallow, sheltered waters. Think seagrass beds, coral reefs, and mangrove forests. They're found all over the world, from tropical to temperate waters. But what do they eat? Seahorses are carnivores, meaning they eat meat. They're ambush predators, patiently waiting for their prey to come close. Then, bam! They use their long snouts to suck up small crustaceans like tiny shrimp and plankton. It's like a superpowered vacuum cleaner. And get this, they don't even have teeth. They just swallow their food whole. Unfortunately, seahorses are facing some serious challenges. Habitat loss is a major threat. Pollution and overfishing are also taking a toll. And sadly, seahorses are used in traditional medicine in some parts of the world. The aquarium trade also contributes to their decline. Many seahorses are captured from the wild to be sold as pets. But there's hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these amazing creatures. Marine protected areas, sustainable fishing practices, and captive breeding programs are all helping. But more needs to be done. Seahorses are currently listed as vulnerable or endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. We need to act now to protect them. Let's spread awareness about these incredible animals and support conservation efforts. Together, we can help ensure that seahorses continue to thrive in our oceans for generations to come. Sea urchins, spiny stars of the sea. Hey there, ocean explorers. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of sea urchins. These spiky creatures inhabit oceans worldwide, from shallow coastal waters to the deepest trenches. Did you know some sea urchins can live for over a century? That's right. These prickly critters can outlive many humans. Today, we're uncovering the unique and amazing aspects of these spiny stars of the sea. Prepare to be amazed by their incredible adaptations and vital role in marine ecosystems. Let's start with those iconic spines. They're not just for show. They provide protection, aid in movement, and come in various shapes and sizes. Some are short and stubby, others long and needle-like, and a few are even venomous. Beneath the spines lies the test, or shell. This rigid structure is made of calcium carbonate and provides support and protection for the urchin's internal organs. Now, check out those tube feet. These tiny, flexible appendages are used for locomotion, feeding, and even respiration. They work using a hydraulic system, allowing the urchin to move with surprising precision. And what about those pedicellariae? These tiny pincer-like structures help keep the urchin clean and defend against parasites. They're like little robotic claws constantly grooming the urchin's surface. Finally, let's talk about the mouth. Sea urchins possess a unique feeding apparatus called Aristotle's lantern. This complex structure consists of 5 teeth-like plates used to scrape algae and other food from surfaces. Sea urchins are primarily herbivores munching on algae and seaweed. They play a crucial role in controlling algae growth in marine environments. But they're not picky eaters. Sea urchins are also opportunistic feeders, scavenging on dead organisms and other organic matter. They're like the underwater cleanup crew. Their grazing habits are especially important on coral reefs. By keeping algae in check, they help maintain the health and balance of these delicate ecosystems. Sea urchins reproduce through external fertilization. Females release eggs and males release sperm into the water where fertilization occurs. The resulting larvae are planktonic, drifting in the ocean currents. These tiny larvae undergo several developmental stages before transforming. Eventually, the larvae undergo metamorphosis, settling down and transforming into juvenile sea urchins. It's a remarkable transformation from a free-floating larva to a spiny bottom dweller. And as we mentioned earlier, some sea urchin species can live for over 100 years. That's a long time to graze on algae. Sea urchins have developed some amazing adaptations to survive in their marine environments. Camouflage is one of their tricks. Many species can blend in with their surroundings, making them harder for predators to spot. Some sea urchins burrow into sand or rock to hide from predators and strong currents. It's like having their own personal bunker. Venomous spines are another effective defense mechanism. These spines can deliver a painful sting to deter potential predators. And if a sea urchin gets flipped upside down, don't worry. They have the ability to right themselves using their tube feet and spines. It's like a slow-motion acrobatic feat. Sea urchins play a vital role in the marine food web. They serve as prey for a variety of animals, including sea otters, fish, and birds. Their grazing habits have a significant impact on marine ecosystems. By controlling algae growth, they help maintain the balance and diversity of these environments. Sea urchins are also considered indicator species. Their sensitivity to pollution and environmental changes makes them valuable tools for monitoring the health of marine ecosystems. Believe it or not, sea urchins have a surprising connection to humans. In many cultures, sea urchin gonads, known as uni, are considered a delicacy. Sea urchins are also used in research and medicine. Scientists are studying their unique biological properties for potential drug development. And let's not forget the aquarium trade. Sea urchins are popular as ornamental creatures in home aquariums, adding a touch of spiny beauty to underwater displays. Unfortunately, sea urchin populations face several threats. Overfishing can decimate populations, disrupting the balance of marine ecosystems. Habitat destruction, such as the loss of coral reefs and seagrass beds, also poses a significant threat. These habitats provide food and shelter for sea urchins. Ocean acidification, caused by increased carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, can affect shell formation. This makes it harder for sea urchins to build and maintain their protective shells. It's crucial that we take steps to protect sea urchins and their habitats. Sustainable fishing practices, habitat restoration, and reducing carbon emissions are all essential for ensuring their survival. Let's wrap things up with some fun facts and trivia about these spiny creatures. Sea urchin fossils provide valuable insights into the ancient history and evolution of these animals. Some fossils date back over 450 million years, and there are some truly unusual sea urchin species out there. The pencil urchin, for example, has thick, blunt spines that resemble pencils. The heart urchin has a heart-shaped test and lives buried in the sand. And the flower urchin is highly venomous and should be avoided at all costs. So there you have it, a glimpse into the amazing world of sea urchins. These spiny creatures are more than just prickly balls. They're vital components of marine ecosystems, with unique adaptations and a surprising connection to humans. Let's work together to protect these spiny stars of the sea for generations to come.